If you take a squash, collect its seeds and put them in water with hydrogel. They'll sprout twice as fast. If you take a plastic bottle and make holes in it, you'll be able to grow your herbs quickly and pick them easily. If you put mushrooms in a bowl, crush them with sawdust, and spread the mixture on a tree, you'll be able to grow unlimited mushrooms. If you cut a milk carton, as in the video, you'll have a multi-purpose tool for your garden. If the leaves on your plants start to get damaged, put ice cubes in the pot to revitalize them. If you take some aloe vera and stick some onions on it, you'll be able to grow them back 5 times faster. If you put corn kernels in soil and water them, then you'll have your own cornfield for free. If you put a pot in a plastic bag, stick a long tube in it, sow some seeds in it, and close the whole thing up, you'll have a miniature greenhouse to help your plants grow faster. If you put little vials filled with water on the stems of your plants, they'll grow faster. If you wrap your plants in cellophane and hang them in a suitcase, you can transport them anywhere easily. You can use a Surflex to straighten your plants in their pots easily. If you go to my account, subscribe and click on the link, then you can pick up my free gardening guide.